Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to remove apps from Android home screen. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next for our future, and subscribe with notification on to get notified for our future video as well. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So the phone I'm using right now is Samsung and the Android is 7.0. So now I'm on my home screen right now basically, and to remove these I just need to hold on it, and then at the top, as you guys can see, remove shortcut. Just drag this icon at the top and place it on top of remove shortcut and leave it, and boom, the shortcut is removed. Now this is not gonna uninstall the app, it's just gonna remove the shortcut. To uninstall it, you can just hold on it, and as you guys can see, there's an uninstall button down there. You can click there to uninstall, but you just want to remove your shortcut, so hold on it and then drag it to remove shortcut. So that's basically how you remove apps from Android home screen. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.